Uptown Swing. Level 1 6 count.
I'm Stacia, that's Peter.
Stagespot, Petronius. We did a lot of review, and then we did a little bit of new stuff. Here's the new stuff. The cuddle, rock, step, triple step, triple step. That's a 6 count version. Then we did this little reverse. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. A little 8 count step we just threw in there just to challenge you to like that feeling of leading and following. She tries to keep going the whole time, and I reverse the energy. What is your strategy, Stacia, when you don't know where it's 6 or 8?
When in doubt, don't guess. I'm going to go for the one that moves the slowest. That happens to be the 6 count one. I have more time to take a triple step back there. If I go for that, then Peter can actually lead something different.
That is correct. So she's going for 6 count. Ha-ha! Don't let her. And then it's reverse. We're going to mess with that some more next week. And I think that was most of the stuff we did. Otherwise, it was just a bunch of refining, and you did a good job with that.